Hi, this is Skeeter, and welcome to Parallels Access. In this tutorial, we will discuss the basic and advanced gestures within Parallels Access that provide that iPad experience for your applications on remote PC and Mac. Let's start with some basic gestures and work up. Here you can see I have Microsoft Word running. To scroll through this document is very simple. All I do is tap my finger on the center of the iPad screen and slide my finger up to scroll down the page. To scroll up the page, I tap and slide my finger down the screen. To zoom in on the page, I tap with both fingers together on the screen and I spread them apart. To zoom out on this page, I tap both fingers apart on the screen and pinch them together. As we already know that tapping is like clicking of a mouse, if we tap with two fingers on this picture, we can see the secondary menu. Parallels Access also provides advanced gestures to make working with the most complex controls with the remote app simple. Here I am running Microsoft Word and I have already selected a paragraph of text by triple tapping on it. By tapping our finger over the color and holding our finger down until the blue line circles the magnifying glass, we have now enabled precise click within Parallels Access. As I move my finger over the color control, notice how the selected text in this document changes to the selected color. We also can use the same gesture as a magnification control by tapping on the control, waiting for the blue line to complete, and then sliding our finger to the left or right to change the page view. Now let's jump over to PowerPoint. Here we have a presentation open that has some text and graphic on the slide. If we tap and hold our finger until the magnification window appears, then release, notice how the Parallels Access contextual menu appears. From here I can now select text, paste, and even bring up the program's secondary menu. If we want precise cursor placement in the text, we tap and hold our finger down until the blue line completes. Now we see the cursor is blinking precisely within the text. We can either start typing here, or using the Parallels Access keyboard, we can move the cursor around within the text. To move the graphic image on this slide, we tap and hold our finger down until the blue line completes. While keeping our finger pressed down on the iPad, drag the image on the slide to where we want it and release your finger. If we want to resize this image, we tap our finger on the image and then release it. Then, tap our finger and hold it on one of the image size controls until the blue line completes. With our finger still held down on the screen, we can now drag to resize the image, then release. This same gesture will also work with both Mac Finder and Windows Explorer. Here we have a file that we want to move into a folder. To do this, we tap our finger on the file and then tap and hold like before. With our finger still pressed on the file, we can now drag it into the folder. For more precise control, Parallels Access offers an on-screen mouse mode. To enable this mode, tap on the cog wheel and then tap on the mouse pointer. To move the on-screen mouse, simply tap anywhere on the iPad screen and while holding your finger down, drag the on-screen mouse over an object. You can then tap on the screen right or left mouse buttons to perform an action. To move this file into our marketing folder, I'm going to tap the left mouse button and hold, while I use my second finger to drag the file into the folder. For more videos and product information, please visit www.parallels.com/products/access.